guys, this is Murari from Technology and Gadgets. In this channel, we will be posting latest technology, gadget and other trending things with their reviews. So you can enjoy their features and everything that you need to know about. Let's connect on this channel. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you.
Hi, this is KT from Concord Health Supply, and in this video we will be addressing the two different display modes for the Concord pulse oximeters seen here. The Topaz, Emerald, Pink, Sapphire, and the Black Ox all include a function which allows you to flip the display 180 degrees. This allows the device to be read by the person wearing it or a caregiver. When you first turn on the device, the initial orientation of the numbers is facing the person wearing it. With the push of a button, the numbers flip and can be read from the opposite side. Press again, and the numbers are facing the person wearing it. You can be assured that you are looking at the display from the correct side if the pulse strength bar is moving from the bottom upwards. Thanks for watching.
Mesh Nebuliser, easy life, easy health. Instant relief for cold and flu, sinuses, irritation, nasal congestion, sore throat. The following is the installation steps. Comfortable accord nebulization. With this nebulizer, it can take control of your cold, flu, or allergy symptoms. Gift of easy breathing, it clears your airways of air impurities for easy and normal breathing. Two mist spray mode. The upper is a strong mist for adult use. The lower is weak mist for kids use. When you're busy with work, you can also use it to relieve discomfort caused by dyspnea. Mouthpiece and mask for your choice.
We are people against dirty, and we've always done things differently. So when it came time to build a place to make our soap, we wanted to do that differently too. First, we needed a location. So we picked the south side of Chicago to plant some roots and inspire change. Our building had to be bright and full of natural light. It had to be a place where people could create, innovate, and have fun every day. And just like our non-toxic, naturally derived products, our factory had to be designed with the planet in mind, with a wind turbine and solar trees to provide energy. And to keep our carbon footprint low, we'd have everything we need: manufacturing, bottling, filling, and distribution, all under one green roof. We'd set new standards for our industry and have a positive impact on the community we call home. Welcome to our South Side Soapbox, where we make soap differently to make the world a cleaner place.